All right, this is an interesting problem. This problem can only be solved if you remember the following. And that is, at the same temperature and pressure, volumes of a gas can be used the same as moles. Since we have no change in temperature or pressure, we can treat this volume of butane in a stoichiometry problem to relate directly to the amount of oxygen. So we start with 14.9 liters of butane. According to our balanced chemical equation, every 2 liters of butane is going to require 13 liters of oxygen gas to react. Let's look at our units. Our liters of propane cancel out, and we directly have our volume of oxygen. So all we have to do is to chunk out our answer. Mathematically, this comes out to be 96.85 liters. We can justify only 3 sig figs, so this is 96.9 liters. Okay, very easy to solve if we remember that we can treat volumes of gases as if they were moles, provided we keep temperature and pressure constant. This would be impossible to solve without remembering that.